Hey everybody, my name is John Wayman Woodall, Wayman's Custom Leather. I've been doing leather work for about 5 years now, and today I wanted to share my experience with Illume atelier. Learning from the experts in the leather industry often means hitting the road, investing time and energy into travel, and for me that's always been the issue. If I could, I would sit with the experts in their shop, side by side, soaking up their knowledge day in and day out. And then came Illume atelier. This platform has given me the ability to learn from some of the best in the business in my workshop each and every day. So far, my favorite course has been the Rough Out Ranch Saddle. It's been a personal goal of mine since I started my journey in leathercraft to learn how to build a saddle. You know, before Illume, I scoured the internet. I bought every DVD, every book, watched every video that I could find on building saddles, but the in-depth knowledge and the tips and fundamentals shared on the Illume platform really made things click for me. Probably the most impactful section of the course was on pattern making. That was my entire issue. Very few things out there show how to make a pattern, and none of them really show why. You know, Illume atelier has been a game changer for me. What it's done for me the most is give me confidence to go and be able to ask some of the saddle makers that are the best in the industry that I've looked up to for the last 5 years for advice and for help. Confidence in a way that I can show them, like, hey, you know, I'm serious. I want to do what it takes to get better at this, to further my skills in this trade, and to learn. If I could tell you one thing, is that Illume atelier brings the classroom to you every day. So that when you do go to that leather show and take a class, or you do get the opportunity to spend that one-on-one, that quality time with that maker that you've looked up to for years, that time can be spent refining those skills instead of learning those skills. I would say invest in yourself. Take the opportunity to learn, grow, and continue loving what you do. Thanks, Illume, for helping me grow and being an invaluable resource in my leathercraft journey.